In today's lesson, tinotarisa the method of separation, which is magnetism. In our yesterday lesson, takatarisa the method of separation, which is filtration. In today's lesson, we are looking at magnetism. But before we get much into magnetism, it is very necessary kuti tive a brief revision when it comes to magnets. Saka we want to have a brief revision panawema magnets. If I say something which confuses you in any way, kana kuti mchifela kuti you want further elaboration on the topic of magnets, I would encourage mundiudze through my comments or my numbers so that I can create a lesson based on magnets. But what I want to discuss is basically assumed knowledge from your Form 1 and Form 2 science, maybe Form 3. So when we look at magnets, and we have to acknowledge firstly that magnets do have two poles. We have what is called the North Pole, and we have what is called the South Pole. Saka ndo panotangira magnetism apa, kana kuti ndo panotangira our understanding of magnets. We have two poles. We have a North Pole and we also have a South Pole. Putting it down, let us say we have this rectangular magnet. It is going to have a North Pole and a South Pole. Those are kutaura. But magnets having these two poles, the North and the South Pole, we should also know that magnets have what is called a magnetic field. Which is concentrated on its poles. And when we talk about a magnetic field, trikutaura the area around a magnet where the magnetic force is exerted. Saka patia illustrator through my diagrams, you're going to see what we mean. But let us look at what we've just written. Saka pamsoro panapa taratidza kuti a magnet has two poles. It is a North Pole and a South Pole. Ndovatendera mberi chiti magnets have a magnetic field, and this magnetic field is concentrated on its poles. Then we saw the need yekudefine what a magnetic field is. Tikati a magnetic field, this is the area around a magnet where the magnetic force is exerted. Saka there's a point I want to write panapa. Maringene magnetic field could outside magnet, the magnetic field tingati the magnetic field is from the North Pole. This is very important, to the South Pole. Saka trikuti north to south like this. So inside the magnet it's a different story. Actually it's converse, but because it's not literally part of our syllabus, I'm not going to elaborate much. But outside the magnet, the magnetic field is from the North Pole to the South Pole. Saka ngatiratidze a magnetic field which is around a rectangular magnet like that. So we have our rectangular magnet where we have a north and a south. Saka zviri kuitika panapa ndezvekuti we have a field kutangira pakati panapa. Saka field toirepresenta nezvimadashes like this. Saka nchangoisa hangu 2. Also have it like this. This is the field like this. But since tataura chiti outside the magnetic field is from the north pole to the south pole. So rati kubva ku north tichienda ku south. Maaro aya akakosha. Mukatomasiya munenge musina kunyora zvakanaka like this. So that is the situation. From north to south, that is the magnetic field. Kana muchida kuita this experiment, munotsvaga anonzi ma-ion fillings. Tusimbi but tunenge takagayiwa takaita mafufu like motsvaga just any paper. Then motsvaga a magnet. You can actually do this at home. Saka munotora maybe matombo mumadaiso anditi, then mobva matora chibepa renyu iri moisa apa, then panapa moisa churu chema ion fillings, pazasi panapa mozoisa a magnet. Munoona pabepa redu iri pachitogadzirwa some form of a field. Order ema ion fillings inobva yaassume this particular field which we have explained. Saka ndo mabudiro ainenge yakaita. Asi kuti tiite edu kuudza mwana upedzisira, mufanirwa kuziva kuti north pole inogona kuenda anywhere. Saka kunondogona kuva nenorth uku south. Hazvichinje, it's always going to be from north to south. Kureva kuti arrow yedu this time inenge yadai so, by virtue of north yava kuside kunoko. Saka hakuna mutemo unokuudzai kuti north ngaende ku right all the time. Hakuna mutemo unotaura kuti south ngaende ku left all the time. Madrawero amunoita magnet yenyu anosiyana. Chakakosha kunzwisisa kuti it's from north to south like that. So zvataita panapa taexplaina a magnetic field. But the other thing which is also very important panapa, saka zvatakuda kuchinyora panapa ndezvekuti for magnets and like poles repel, then unlike kana kuti different poles attract. Saka like poles repel, different poles attract. Let us illustrate this. Ngatitarisei attraction. Let us look at attraction. So kana iri attraction now, we have two magnets. Saka kazhinji kana tichiita ma illustrations aya tinozongodraw kakaita kahafu kuti tiratidze kuti kuno kuti nechi north. But kuti attract, as we said, the different poles ndo ano attractor. Kana kuti unlike poles ndo ano attractor. Saka kana panapa tine north, panapa tinenge tine chi south. Aya ma magnets aya maviri. Zviri kuitika panapa tataura isusu tichiti it's always from north to south. Saka arrow yedu inenge yakadai so, then todai so like this, todai so zvakare like that, toisaka arrow apo, toisaka arrow apo. Saka that's the attraction. North iri kuattractwa towards the south. Saka tikatora a bar of a magnet and a bar of a magnet tikazviregedza zviri in such a way yekuti there are different poles they are going to attract. And if you have been playing with magnets, especially ma bar magnets muri vana, you know kuti rimwe side anenge achiattracta, rimwe side anenge achirepela. That is what we are basically learning here. Saka this is case 1. For case number 2, we can have south kuside kunoko ne north kuside uko. It's going to be the same from north to south this. Don't forget ma-arrowhead edu like that. That's the attraction. Now when it comes to repulsion, kana takutarisa repulsion tinenge takuti like pose repel. Sakuita repel kusasangana like this. If we have a north panapa and also a north, what is happening is this. Tinenge takadai so, and it north yakutarisa each tarisa like that. Like that. Samugono inyukwedzera. Like this. So that's repulsion. Repulsion can also happen when we have a south and a south. It's also going to be like this. But panapandatum church is something. Because it's a north to south. That's why arrow yedu iri kuratidza kubuda like this. But panapa inenge yakadai so. Instead of kubuda inenge yadai. Inenge yatarisa towards south. Saka we tinotarisa towards south all the time. Tinotarisa away from north all the time. That is the only mechanical difference there, which is very important. Saka mukaziva kuti north to south. This is going to save you from a lot of trouble. That's very important. So kuti when you look at your books, say panapa, you're going to see kuti that draw ndakadai so for the sake of illustration, but mchaona kuti vanowedzerera so ubva vadai. Then kunoku north, it's always away from north, saying yakadai so mara ngakadai. Then kunoku vowedzera zvakare like this. Then ma-arrow ngakatarisa towards south like that. Saka ndo madrawero akazara anoitwa. If we have to do it here again, it's always pointing towards south and always pointing away from north like this. So those are zvakaita mafields edu. So we have to understand before we move any further that we have what are called magnetic material. Saka here we are talking about material attracted to magnets. Material attracted to magnets. And example, we have metallic objects like iron. These are attracted to magnets. They are called magnetic material. You can do some research as to why is it like that. You are going to see that it relies mostly on the arrangement of electrons and stuff. So that is what we want to learn. Now let us get into the business of the day. In today's business, we want to learn about what is called magnetic separation. Saka toda kutarisa inonzi magnetic separation. So when we talk about magnetic separation, let me bring an image which is going to illustrate what is happening. Then we write a few notes around it. So as a rule of thumb, tinoziva kuti when we talk about separation, we are separating things which are existing in a mixture. That's very important. Saka we have a mixture. Tine dirativange, tine musanganiswa uripo, but truda kuseparata ma components arukita make up a mixture. So when we look at what is happening there, mixture tinayo panapa, the mixture we have, it's a mixture of flour and iron fillings. And this is what chinenge chamboitika. kuti flour isangane noti simbi ndo zviri kuitika apa. Flour and iron fillings, that's the mixture we have. But because we know kuti when we discussed about separation, takati we are concerned with the physical properties of the things we want to separate. Saka panapa tinoziva kuti iron is a magnetic material. Saka iron attracted to a magnet, but flour is a non-magnetic material. You cannot attract flour to a magnet. So because of that, tikaita draw a magnet closer to this mixture like that, tichaona ma-iron fillings chero ari pasi akavharwa neflour, tichamaona. If we have a strong enough magnet, tichamaona achisimuka towards the magnet. They are attracted to the magnet. Then ononamira pa magnet panapa tosara tine flour yega. Saka tato separator iron fillings and flour. That is what we are talking about. So let us write a little about it. In the world of science and industry, the process of separating materials based on their magnetic properties has proven to be a game changer. This technique, known as magnetic separation, it utilizes the magnetic properties of substances to separate them from the mixture. So this is going to make our first term. Magnetic separation utilizes the magnetic properties of objects in order to separate them. Saka physical property yatiri concerned with is the magnetic property. The magnetic property of objects, and that is what is utilized. Saka we are separating them from a mixture. If you so need, talk about separating them from a mixture like this, and it in. Magnetic separation is a process that uses magnets to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials in a mixture. Saka panapa tiri kuti magnets are used andiri to separate magnetic material. Tokono as example panapa iron fillings from non-magnetic material. Panapa ndopata kusachi flour yedu like that. That is very important. Saka the technique takes advantage of the varying magnetic properties of different substances. So if we know a mixture of two things, for example iron fillings and flour sezvataona, and we know that one of the material is magnetic like iron fillings, correct, we just bring a magnet closer to the mixture, zvima iron fillings zvosimuka zvoattracted towards the magnet, flour yosara iri pure sezvairi. So this is the process of separation we wanted to learn about. You have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You want extra lessons, you can check our numbers after this video or in the descriptions. Otherwise, thank you and have a nice day.